Hello everybody, today I am going to be giving a farm tour of our new dairy farm series, and I'm finally back in 2024 to upload some more videos, I guess. So yeah, first I guess we have the 3500 crew cab with the flatbed. Yeah. Let's get all the... Then we got the Chevy Impala that has... Yeah, I didn't write that, but yeah. So, yeah. We have a sports... Is it gonna be... So I'm gonna do... Yeah. Anyway. So then, I'm driving down to the actual hay farm. Yeah, we built the house kind of like on the edge, and then we have the hay field in the middle that I've already been playing. Then we have the massive cattle building, which is the only building that we have. We have our feed mixer. We have the 1066 with the Vermeer bale shredder. And we got the Impala trailer. So, yeah. Then we got the 9650 STS John Deere. That's the older model with the 25-foot bean head, because we're not going to be doing any corn, we're only going to be doing like wheat. Then we have the tandem drills with the dry fertilizer boxes on them. Oh, and I guess I didn't show that we had this massive grain leg. Your bale storage shed, just more storage. Then we got the 4020, actually the 4320 with a loader, bale spike. This is what runs the feed wagon. Some bales. The Anderson bale wrapper, so we can make silage. Our Vermeer baler that we pull with the 7810, also the loader, the double bale spike. Then we have our 4955 Vermeer rake, and we have this Moco that we use to mow because that's weathered. This is gonna be a little bit smaller operation, so we only have this single field and 2 hay fields. So yeah. So I think that's everything. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.